Let's understand our sky in this video. Have you ever looked up and wondered why the sky changes its color? Or why the moon looks different some nights and why shadows move? Think of a morning walk, a bright noon, and a calm night at home. This is what we will explore, step by step. In the morning, the sky often looks orange and bright. In the afternoon, the sky looks blue and clear. At night, the sky becomes dark and we see twinkling stars. The sun also seems to change color. In the morning and evening, the sun looks reddish or orange. At noon, the sun looks bright yellow. The moon keeps changing its shape during the month. Sometimes the moon is a full circle called Purnima or full moon. Sometimes it looks like the letter C called a crescent. Sometimes it is half and sometimes we cannot see it at all, called Amavasya or new moon. Sunrise means when the sun comes up in the morning. Sunset means when the sun goes down in the evening. At sunrise, the sky turns orange and pink. Birds start singing and animals wake up. At sunset, the sky may turn red or purple. Birds go home and people relax. Why does the sky look blue during the day? Sunlight passes through air and tiny particles scatter the light. Blue light scatters more, so we see a blue sky. At sunrise and sunset, sunlight travels through more air, so blue light goes away, leaving red and orange colors. Now let us talk about shadows. Shadows are dark shapes made when something blocks light. In the morning, shadows are long and point towards the west. At noon, shadows are short because the sun is almost overhead. In the evening, shadows are long again and point towards the east. The sun seems to move from east in the morning to overhead at noon, then towards the west. Because the sun appears to move, the direction of shadows also changes. Long ago, people used a sundial to tell time by the shadow. A sundial is a tool that uses shadows to show time. Raja Jai Singh built big observatories called Jantar Mantar with a large sundial named Samrat Yantra. Playing with shadows is fun. People make shadow puppets and tell stories on a screen. At night, we see thousands of stars that sometimes form patterns called constellations, like Saptarshi or the seven sages. The moon does not make its own light. It reflects the sun's light. Because people watched the moon, they used it to count days and make calendars. Many festivals are linked to the moon's phases. Diwali is on the new moon, and Raksha Bandhan, Guru Purnima, and Buddha Purnima are on the full moon. Eid is celebrated when the new moon is first seen after Amavasya. Festivals like Chhath Puja and Karwa Chauth also follow the moon. India's Chandrayaan mission explores the moon. Chandrayaan is India's moon mission. The Vikram lander landed on the moon on 23rd August 2023 to study its surface. So, what do we learn from this? We learn that the sun, moon, stars, and shadows change during the day and month. And these help us understand time and nature. Let us quickly remember. Morning sky is orange. Afternoon sky is blue. Night is full of stars. Shadows are long in morning and evening, short at noon. The moon changes shape from full moon to new moon, and this helps make calendars. Many festivals follow the moon, and India sent Chandrayaan to study the moon. Keep exploring more lessons gently on EduRev, where you can learn and have fun. Good job listening, and see you next time for another Little Sky adventure.